Today we're going to do a fun reaction called elephant toothpaste with household items. This reaction is the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. Yeast acts as a catalyst, and this reaction is exothermic, so heat will be released and the resulting foam will be warm. This is a relatively safe experiment, but protective eyewear should still be worn. Also wear gloves if you're handling a high concentration of hydrogen peroxide. The equipment includes 125 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to be using mouthwash, but the reaction would be much stronger if you used a higher concentration of hydrogen peroxide. And 10 grams of dry yeast, 35 milliliters of warm water, and some liquid soap to help with the foaming. Step 1 is to make a solution of yeast and warm water. I have 10 grams of yeast and 35 milliliters of warm water, and I'm just going to mix these together now. And now our first solution has been made. Step 2 is to make a solution of hydrogen peroxide and liquid soap. Now we're going to make our second solution with 125 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide and some liquid soap. Alright, now our second solution is done. Step 3 is to mix the two solutions. Now we're going to be mixing the two solutions by funneling the yeast solution into the hydrogen peroxide solution. Hopefully some foam should be produced. As you can see, a lot of foam was produced. It's been around 10 minutes and the reaction is still producing more foam. I'm happy the reaction worked, but I'm probably going to recreate it in the future with a higher concentration of hydrogen peroxide and at a larger scale. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section.